G'day everyone, this is my latest 6502 system, which is the 6502 SYM Model 1 or SYM-1, which is a clone of the CHEM-1 with some enhancements. I've made sure that all the ICs are seated correctly, and the RAM, which is 1K, is installed. The CPU, it's installed and seated properly. And when I power it on, it's drawing 0.67 amps at 5 volts. Power LED comes on, and the machine's meant to beep, and then you're meant to press Control for the display to activate. Fortunately, nothing occurs. If I hit the reset button, the CPU does actually reset, which I've checked on my oscilloscope, and the pin 40 on the CPU is high. You hit the reset button, it goes low for a few clock cycles and then goes high again, so it does appear to be coming out of reset. I've checked on the ROM, and occasionally after pressing reset there does appear to be some activity on the bus, but then it just stops. So I'm not quite sure how to proceed. Next I'm going to see if I can find some circuit diagrams, and we'll start doing some troubleshooting. I do have a spare 6502. I don't have the Riot chip or these advanced communication controllers, which I believe are the two chips here. And this chip here, the 6232, it reads the keyboard and controls the display, and I think it also controls the speaker. The clock I've checked, and we are getting 1 megahertz out of the clock, and it is arriving at the CPU. So I'm going to see if I can find a circuit diagram, and then we'll begin some troubleshooting. I may try replacing the RAM. It's possible that one of these chips could be bad. These two chips make up the 1K of RAM that's currently installed, and I do have some spare 2114 RAM chips, so I could try that next. I'm not quite sure about this ROM. I believe that these sockets are just 2716s, but this mouse ROM, I'm not quite sure about the pinout. Well, we'll get the circuit diagram and we'll work our way through and see what we can do. If I can work out the pinout for this, we might see if we can dump its contents. Okay, a lot of work to be done. Yeah, it looks like a lovely little machine, and someone suggested that I use the project in the manual for the oscilloscope output. So once we've got it working, that might be a fun project. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you've got any suggestions about how to troubleshoot a fault like this where a SYM-1 is failing to even boot, it's not even generating a beep, and nothing is displayed on the LCD panel, but I believe that is normal until it beeps, and then you hit the return key, and then the display should be active. I may even try connecting a serial terminal later to this port, which it appears someone in the past may have already done. Cables have all been cut, of course, but other than that, the machine is almost mint. It's really in great condition. Okay, I'm going to say good night, and we'll catch you next time.